Hello. Okay, so I want to talk about the strategy tester that I use for testing my robots. And it's running right now just because I wanted to get it ready for the video. But you can see it's like creating this like scatter plot here. And I can't exit out of it while it's running. So we'll just hang out. Basically, I use a strategy tester to test algorithms on different currencies, different pairs, and it gives you like kind of this really neat breakdown graph, and it says like this is what your starting equity was at, and it goes down, it goes down, it goes up, and it gives you like a really detailed view. You can see that this test I ran from November 1st, 2024 to today, November 12th. And so there's not always like data available. That's what these blank spaces are. It just depends on your broker and what kind of data, historical data they have available. So let me show you how I got set up for this. This is the scatter plot. Let's see, this is the chart I was running. And let me move this over. This is just a regular chart. When you open up and connect to a currency pair, to get this chart up here, you just right click and you go to chart window here, and it'll pull up the currency here. To set up the strategy tester though, what you need to do is you need to go to view and then click on strategy tester. So it just hit it because I had it open, but click on strategy tester and then you go to overview here. You can select single, indicator, visualize, any kind of these. I usually click visualize. And what this does is it creates this graph right here. So we can run it again. I'm going to disable this and I'll click this so I can see the graph that it creates, which will actually look like this one. And it's only for about 2 weeks. So I have selected 2 weeks here. This is the symbol, this is the time frame, this is the strategy. So there's a bunch of different strategies. You just import yours and you can select it. And I did profit in pips so that it runs faster. I have it running on every tick. And I have $10,000 for the deposit and 100 for the leverage. So you can see here in the graph. So since I had that checkbox that said click visual, it opens this new window here and it kind of runs through the last 2 weeks and it shows you like a trade was taken here, a trade was taken here, a trade was taken here. So it's super helpful and it gives you the list. This is the same kind of order book you would see if you're live trading one of these algos, which is also super helpful to see when it entered. Let's see. You can see this is like a new window that opened here. Yeah, this is a new window that's running. And it's also creating a graph here. So it's creating a graph, it's telling you what's going on. And because I had this button clicked right here, it opened that new window. Yeah, and this is super helpful just to see where your trades are at. Another really cool feature about this is this right here, the optimization. I'll talk about that in a later video just because I'm trying to make these videos a lot shorter. But yeah, using the backtester to check algorithms has been like so pivotal in getting these robots up and running. So yeah, I'll talk about optimizations in the next video.